This is the Bushnell Voyager grandchild of the Astroscan 2001. I'm using it in the daylight on the moon, and I can see the picture quality is really good compared to the Astroscan itself. I think the image we can get from this is really as good or even better.
Okay, this is the view through the Bushnell telescope, Bushnell Voyager telescope. I must say that I'm really surprised by the quality of the image. I'm using a Tiny1 camera just to take some pictures, take videos. Not the best camera for this kind of thing, but anyway, that's what I have. I'm using it. Clouds are coming and going and passing through the field of view. I try to zoom in if I can. I'm just holding the camera at the lens, nothing more than this. I'm using a Bushnell Voyager with a Nirvana 18mm or 17mm Skywatcher Nirvana eyepiece. I try to move the Bushnell a little bit from the field of view. I hope I've been able to focus this. And you can see something as much as I can see. The lens of the Tiny1 has to be adjusted by hand, so it's not automatic. But the view with the normal eye as you look is very sharp.